Leaking roofs after a fresh installation are the absolute worst headache for any roofing business owner, right? So here's the lowdown on handling those dreaded leak callbacks like a pro. First off, always get to the site as soon as possible, even if it means temp patching in a downpour, because showing up fast seriously calms homeowners down. Be straight up and empathetic when talking with them. Say you get how frustrating it is and that the team is on it to make things right. Don't just focus on the leak itself. Reassure them you'll handle the insulation and drywall damage too, because those stained ceilings stress people out just as much. If it's under $2,000, I usually cover repairs out of pocket to keep things smooth. Insurance can be a nightmare and might drop you fast if you file claims. Ask if they have a painter they trust. If yes, have them call their painter to fix the water stains and paint. But if not, offer to recommend someone and let them choose to keep them in control. When the repair cost might go over $2,000, tell them to have their painter contact you first. Keep surprises low and trust high. And always try to throw in a small peace offering like a bottle of wine or a gift card for dinner so they feel genuinely cared for, not just like another job number. One of the biggest mistakes roofing contractors make with leak callbacks is ignoring the emotional side of the homeowner. You gotta listen and show real understanding, or else they'll blow up on social media or worse. A second common slip-up is trying to dodge responsibility by blaming weather or previous work instead of owning the fix knower that just kills your reputation fast. Own it and move to solutions immediately. The third issue is mishandling the repair process by not coordinating with painters or ignoring drywall damage, which leaves homeowners stuck with ugly stains and frustration. Fix this by communicating clearly about repairs beyond roofing and offering options for trusted painters. These fixes help keep your business solid and customers happy, even when leaks happen. BigHomeProjects.com steps in to make this whole contractor-client mess easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local pros who actually get the job done right. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work from folks who need help but don't know where to start looking.